Hi, Jim with Calm and Relaxing. I was trying to edit a new video for our channel, and I'm always using the Apple earbuds that come with your iPhone. When you're doing editing, I'm kind of longing for that headphone experience again that I'm used to. I ended up going to B&H Photo and Video online. They have these Polsen headphones. And see what it sounds like. So let's take a peek at these. What attracted me to these though is the price point. They were $30 originally, and B&H Photo Video had it for $14.99 over the holidays, and I thought it was a pretty good deal. We'll give them a shot here and just see what they look like. I mean, they do, the box feels light, so they're probably lightweight, which could be good. But I'm also looking for something I can use in the field too when I'm doing recordings. There we go. So we got our this is our package there. Let's see what this looks like. They feel nice. Nicely protected. Oh, it's an adapter. Nice. So at first I thought, oh, that's the old-fashioned phono plugs that I grew up with. There's the 3.5 millimeter that we're used to, and it's a TRS, it looks like, which is tip, ring, sleeve. So TRS, it's not a TRRS as iPhones require nowadays. That's nice. It comes with that adapter though, so you can use it like on an electric piano or something that has a regular phono jack. How the heck did they even get that on there? There we go. Let's just see how these feel. It's got an R indicating right and an L for left. Looks like it's got nice padding up here. It's not bad. They feel not super light. They feel just right, actually. They don't feel heavy. They don't feel light. It's just and it's got, I don't know, just a nice quality feel to that. Padding here. These are fully over the ear. It looks like you got this, and it looks like they fold up. Yeah, they fold up. So that'd be nice to be able to pack in a bag if you're traveling or out in the field. So let me just put these on and see how they, so they kind of extend down a little bit. Looks like you got some adjustments here. It's a nice long cable. You could put this on an auto recorder in the field, stand away from it. The padding feels nice. The way it fits on my head is really nice. And for what I'm hearing, yeah, is that even as I'm talking, my voice is very muffled. In fact, it's incredibly muffled because of these are the full over the ear. They're not on the ear. It's encompassing my ears. These feel really comfortable. Fit beautifully. Feel fantastic. Real important thing is whether they sound good. I'm going to just listen to a few things, maybe a couple of my past videos or even something I'm editing now. I'll see how this works out. It's interesting. This, I think, is more realistic because you're hearing the waves. This gives you more depth and three-dimensional rendering in your mind of what the sound really seems like. This is very two-dimensional, like a wall of sound is just hitting your ear. This, you kind of get the layers, the waves, and even as they're fluctuating, you're getting the wind. You kind of feel it's more ethereal, buffeting, but in a natural way. When you're at the beach, more open. And this, I think, is more realistic. I'm pretty impressed with these. Using it on my phone, sounds great. I'm gonna stick the earbuds in again and I'm gonna see if it holds true, but this is giving me that loudspeaker sound instead of just that brute force sound pinchers going into your head. I'm digging these Polsens. Sounding good. Studio headphones, the concept is you don't want these messing with the sound. You don't want it over amplifying or accentuating the basses or the highs or the mids. You just kind of want it flat. I think some people say, like my son, put these on and then put these on and listen to the music he likes with heavy bass. You'd probably compare them and go, well, these are clearly better. These, the bass is not going to be as much as you hear on these. But what these are trying to do is tell you how it was recorded and how it's set up. That's what allows you, the listener, to bring the bass up, to equalize. If you want to throw more emphasis on the bass, you want to bring up the highs and bring down the bass, that's what you're trying to do, is let these tell you what's really been recorded at the levels they've been recorded at. That's kind of the purpose too, is that they're trying to just render what's actually been, what's the signal coming from here. And I think these are doing it. This is actually rendering it more accurately. If you're looking for studio headphones that is just going to give you what you're actually hearing, these give you that. If you're trying to get sound recorded in the way that you think it really was recorded, I think these are going to do the trick, at least out in the field. Time will tell. I'll find out. This is going to work really well. And I really think the more I listen to it already in the short period of time, this is far more realistic. It's letting me pick up subtleties, natural sounds probably more often. And I'm hearing how these really just accentuate things that really aren't that loud, aren't that front and center. It's giving me in the way that you really hear them in the real world, experiencing the flow of sound over your ears. This is more realistic. And for $15, and normally $30, normally $29.99. The sale was $15 off. It was a manufacturer instant rebate. Thumbs up to Polsen. I don't really think I have any complaints right now. I mean, they feel really, really well done for $15. See how the foam holds up. Maybe UV rays are going to deteriorate the heck out of these things. But I figure at that price point, I don't know if I'm going to be overly concerned about how they get treated and what happens to them, because maybe next holiday they'll have that sale again, and if these haven't made it through here, I might pick up another pair. Thumbs up on that Polsen. I hope if you do pick up a pair, you find the same experience I did. All right, take care. God, what's wrong with my hair? Because obviously it's really important since I care about how I look. And that's great. That's obviously what they're for.